Hi there, in this video you'll learn how to add a new funnel, and it's very easy. For every new funnel creation, you could either create it from on top of your navigation bar. All you need to do is to hover your mouse on funnels and you have the option of creating a new funnel. Alternatively, you can also add a new funnel from the main dashboard that you are in by clicking on this button, Add New Funnel. So let's click on it. And you'll be brought into an option where, again, before you create any funnel, please plan out your funnel and understand what your goals and objectives are. And when you've done your planning, all you need to do is click on either Collect Emails, Sell Your Product, or Host a Webinar. In this example, let's click on Collect Emails. You'll be brought into a new section where you can choose the type, and under Collect Emails, there's only one type and an explanation. It's a two-step funnel where you have a landing page and a thank you download page. In this step, what you want to do is give your funnel a name, and in this example, let's call it Demo. And you can also select a group tag. A group tag is how you want to organize your funnels. In this example, let's put it as a demo. Once you're done and satisfied with the name and also group tag, the next step is to click on Build Funnel. And when that happens, next is that ClickFunnels will bring you to the customization page where you can start to customize your funnel and add a template. And there you have it, a very simple how to add a new funnel to your ClickFunnels account.